In order for the concrete that I will pour to adhere to the hearth, I will make 4 holes of 8 mm in which I will insert 4 reinforcing bars of 8 mm thick. And I put another reinforcing bar along the oven, which I tie with wire to the 4 bars. Here I am preparing a melamine formwork. The concrete will be 50 mm thick. I attach the formwork to the wall with wooden screws. I use silicone on the edges, so that the concrete does not flow during casting between the melamine strips, and thus we get smooth edges. I will pour the front piece into a mold, and only at the end, I will install it. For this mold I made a template that I transfer to this piece of melamine. After this I start to put the pieces of pine, according to the drawn shape. The curved part, I make it from an aluminum strip that I glue with hot glue. I use car wax as a release agent. After that I use silicone to seal all the edges. Where I glue these bronze and copper inserts with superglue, I first degrease the melamine with thinner. Here I wet the hearth first, for adhesion. I made the concrete from 1.5 part sand, half part fine gravel, 1 part cement, 1% sodium silicate, 1% plasticizer, 1% brown pigment, water and polypropylene fiber. I vibrated the concrete with the sanding machine. It works impressively well for that. For the surface layer, I did not put gravel or fiber. I use a marking needle to push the concrete into hard-to-reach places. I used a diamond cup to finish the concrete. The silicone did a good job so that concrete did not leak onto the wall. Now I want to tackle the possible interior repairs. I will also give you the internal dimensions of this oven. The width is 78 centimeters, the height in the middle is 41 centimeters, and on the edges 28 centimeters. The length is 100 centimeters. As you can see, the joints are empty in several places. So we will fill them with a mortar made only of clay and water, but for this we must first wet the bricks, to prevent the joints from coming off after hardening. After that I use a sponge and water to wash off the excess clay. This is the 5th day since we poured the concrete. To fill these imperfections and make them uniform, we will make a cement and pigment paste. I leave it like this for a few hours to harden, and then I will sand it with 400 grit sandpaper and water. I made 2 holes in the concrete slab and 2 holes in the hearth. These match. I will insert some threaded rods of 8 mm which I will glue with polyurethane glue. That's why I wet the holes with water. This mortar is made of 1.5 sand, 1 part cement and water. This is what the hearth looks like after restoration. What do you think? Leave a comment, a like if you liked it, subscribe and press the bell button to be notified when I upload a new video. In the next video I will build the entrance to the oven and the chimney. Thank you for watching and I wish you a good day ahead.